Tuffy, get Jingles. Get him. Wrestle. Wrestle. No, get Jingles. Wrestle with Jingles. Go wrestle with Jingles. Get him. Tuffy. No. Come over here and get Jingles. Jingles wants to play.
Make some sense. Start to make a connection.
Go get Jingles. Get Jingy. Too late. Get Jingy. Get Jingles. Hi, Jiggy Jiggy. Oh, Tuffy's got to eat now. Hi, Jiggy. You want a Scooby snack? You want a Scooby snack? Come on. Come on. Let's go get a Scooby snack. You want a Scooby snack? Come on, Jiggy. Let's get a Scooby snack. Come on. Let's get a Scooby snack. Come on. Come on. Scooby, Scooby, Scooby snack. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Well, sit down before you sing. Sit. Sit. I love you too. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Sing. Sing for mommy. Meow, 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 meow. Sing. Meow, 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 meow. Jingy. Sit. Good. Meow, 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 meow. Sit down. Sit. Good boy. Say mama. Sit down. Mama. Mommy. Jiggy. Jingles. Mama. Good boy. Okay, I'll give you a snack. Good boy. Mama. Can you say mama? Uh-oh. Here you go. Oh, look who else come for a Scooby snack. Huh? You want one too? Sit down. Sit down. You can have one too. Sit down.
Sit down on the hard floor.
Oh, that's right. She won't sit on the floor. I forgot. It has to be the carpet. Here you go, sissy. Here you go, babe. Come on.
Cold on her or something.
Yeah, she doesn't know how to sit on the floor.
Aw.
I have a rug in there and she will, but she has to sit. Now you'd have to sit down. You're a good girl. Are you a good girl? Yeah, you're a good girl. Hang on.
Tuffy, say I love you.
Can you say I love you? Here, give her a couple of these. Can you say I sit? You better sit down, girl. What are you doing? You already had yours. What are you doing?
Come here, Jinky.
Tuffy, sit down.
Jinky, come here.
Sit.
Come here, Jinky.
Sit.
Jinky.
Good girl.
What? Jinky, come here. Sit.
That is a cute picture.
Cute.
Tuffy,
I can't believe she actually